In this video, I'm going to show you how to close Google Chrome without closing the tabs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. As you can see, I have some tabs here which I opened earlier. Now, suppose you close the Chrome browser by accident, or your computer turns off due to load shedding or any other reason. But if I go to Chrome again, you can see that I have lost the tabs which I opened earlier. The tabs may contain many important things for you. So how do I keep the tabs open all the time? Let's open some tabs first. Here I have opened 2 new tabs. In the top right corner, click on the 3-dot icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the left side menu, click on Startup. Here you get 3 options. The first one is to open a new tab every time you open Chrome, which is on by default. The second is to open Chrome where you left off. And the third one is to open Chrome at a specific web page. As we want to keep our running tabs, we will select the second one. Now if I close the Chrome browser and launch it again, you can see that the tabs are all as they were. Following these steps, you save yourself from losing any important data.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.